salted popcorn shortbread cookies.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, we start off with 2 cups of popped popcorn. I'm using the salted butter popcorn, they're just the microwave kind. I put that in a Ziploc bag and I'm just going to pulverize it with the back of a saucepan just to get some small pieces. Now what you're going to do is take a large bowl and in there place 1 cup of butter. I use salted butter, 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar, and cream those things together until they are light and fluffy. Then you'll add in 1 large egg yolk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Once that's blended in, we are going to prepare our dry ingredients. So you put the broken up popcorn pieces in a bowl, add to that 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, as well as 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And just give that a stir until all the popcorn pieces are coated and it's all mixed up together. Now you're going to put that into the butter sugar mixture a little bit at a time until it is well combined. This is going to be quite a sticky dough, so what I recommend you do is pat it out into a round shape onto some parchment paper. Add a second piece of parchment paper and then just roll it out till it's about 1/4 inch thick. Then you're going to cut out rounds, whatever size of cookie that you want. Now this dough is soft and it's sticky, so if you try to lift those little circles up the way they are right now, they're going to break. So what I suggest is you put this on a cookie sheet and put the whole thing into the fridge or the freezer for about 1/2 hour or so, and that'll cause that dough to get very firm and it'll be super easy to pop out those little cookie rounds, as you can see here. Super easy to handle. And then you'll take the scraps that you didn't use and then just re-roll them and then cut them again. Then you're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes or so until they get just light brown on the edges and on the bottom. If you're using an insulated cookie sheet, it may take closer to about 20 minutes. And there they are. These are very unusual and they are delicious. So you have a basic kind of a shortbread cookie, but you have these little bits of salty, crunchy popcorn inside the cookie. So you get a little bit of hint of sweet and salty, which is a really, really great combination. The only thing I would do next time is that I wouldn't crush the popcorn quite as bit so that there would be a little bit bigger bits of popcorn in that cookie. Otherwise, a really cool and different kind of a recipe. I hope you give this one a try. Now, if you're looking for another recipe that might use regular popcorn, but in an unusual and delicious way, try these chocolate chip popcorn bars. These are amazing.